I mean, I don't know how the horizon there looks on camera, but it looks great here in real life. The hills over there I'm referencing with the sun, it's much more manageable now. A few hours ago I could not handle that here. Oh, look, is that apples? Big old tree. But yeah, I'm going to go in here. I like this place, I've been here before. It's quite a weird, spooky little palm tree forest. Not sure what these trees are, I need to educate myself more. Yeah, I was going to say what I like about this camera, or filming in 360, because I do a lot of camera filmmaking and filming stuff, and you know, your eyes behind the camera or behind the LED screen, you're focusing on what you're recording or capturing. With this, I can still be here in the moment, looking with my eyes and let the camera do its thing. All I got to do is hold this stick. I mean, you look like a bit of an arse, but you soon get used to it. It's worth it for the footage. I'm sure this will look quite cool. Right, as I say, I want to dart in here quickly. Once I find a good entry point, I usually enter that side. Can I get through there? Yeah, I think so. Just check nothing will fall on me, these big leaves. And also there's not a ditch or something here. Don't even know if I'm allowed to be in here, but see what I mean? It's quite odd. Let's go where there's a bit of a sun rays, that'd be nice. Let's see, look at this. And look up. I'm going to look down because I don't want to step in. Who knows? That golden sun. Gonna get a good sunset walk this evening. I've timed it good for once. Usually I'm out too early. Oh, it doesn't look great on the As I say, I don't know what they use the leaves. I mean, you make stuff out of the leaves, don't you? It's definitely not coconut. It must be for these leaves. Or is it to help filter the earth and the farming? I feel like there's people hiding behind these leaves. Oh, I was thinking, oh, there's something spiky. Look at my trainers and the shoelace. Deal with that once I'm out. It's mad, huh? Your mind plays tricks. I thought I saw something inside here. It was just the leaves blowing. Have a look, people. What's going on in there? I'll go through that middle way. This is quite mad. Hands in the way. me see. Looks like someone has a little party here. Well, I just get paranoid about coming across sometimes. Oh, look up at that. That's mad. And behind me. God. I'm gonna go underneath. Whoop, cobweb. Don't feel like walking into that. Yeah, I really wanted to come here and film here in this little patch of mad trees. So it's good. I feel my evening's accomplished already. Alright, can I exit here? Well, there you go. That's one of my favourite little spots I've discovered in these fields.